Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G84 and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So to change this sensor animation, we should open the settings, scroll down to security and privacy section, tap to device lock, click to fingerprint, enter your protect method, and here you'll see fingerprint animation styles, and just you should switch your currently style to the another one. Now let's just lock the device. So we could see that we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.